Our twin space digital power teaching. We can see the pages on work on them. First page about our project section that provides key information about the project. It includes short introduction of the participating teachers, students' introduction, parental permission, profile of the involved schools, and basic netiquette guidelines for online behavior. The second section includes a teachers training activity in Cyprus, presentation of the 4 countries, and training digital tools presentation of each school. The third section includes mobility in Croatia, mobility in Cyprus, mobility in Greece, and mobility in Romania. You can open these pages to see more details. In section 4, there are ICT tools. Presents all the digital tools used during the project. It includes a brief description of each tool, its possible application, educational context, and step-by-step instructions on how to use it effectively. Five sections includes logo. The project logo page showcases the students' artwork created for the logo competition. It features all submitted designs as part of the DPT logo competition, highlighting the creativity of a student from all partner schools. The winning logo, selected by vote, is also presented as the official logo of the project. Sixth section includes virtual meetings for teachers. In this section, you can see all the online sessions organized by partner schools during the project. In each meeting, the hosting school presented digital tools for educational use. Teachers from both partner and non-partner schools participated, exploring new technologies for teaching and collaboration. One of the meetings was dedicated to working on Twin Space. During this session, participants learned how to add material, edit pages, and navigate all the categories of the project Twin Space page. The online meetings with teacher and students section presents the online workshops conducted with the participation of all 4 project partners. During this session, students from all schools collaborated using digital tools they had learned during the mobilities. These meetings promoted active engagement, cross-border teamwork, and practical application of the ICT tools in real-time educational activities. Lesson plans. Here you can see all the lesson plans that the teachers created for arts and ICT subjects, languages and health education, humanistic subjects, science, math, and ICT. On ninth page, there are the labs with students in the classrooms. labs in Croatia, labs in Romania, labs in Cyprus, and labs in Greece. There are seminars for teachers of each school, of course, and the collaboration page in international teams. Here you can see that the students watched the documentary Forks Over Knives and collaboratively worked on 4 worksheets. Of course, there is a page for digital materials by students. You can see how many materials created by students and the dissemination page. In this page, you can find all dissemination activities carried out throughout the duration of the project. This includes publication, presentations, events, and any other efforts made to share the project results with relevant audiences. We have gathered all the dissemination of project results. Of course, we made an Erasmus Corner all the 4 schools, and we have an international conference online at the middle and at the last of the project. We wrote articles and here is the evaluation. We used the selfie tools for evaluation. We have evaluation after the meetings, the mobilities. And here you can see the final products. The platform of DPT project, the digital collection of open educational resources, the virtual workshops for the teachers, the virtual workshops for students, short-term students exchange Croatia, Cyprus, Greece and Romania, the dissemination materials local and at the partnership level, newsletters, international conference, media campaign to promote the project results. And, of course, the virtual logo competition, the logos that created by students from partner schools.